So as you've already learned in the last video, one way to think of your anxious thoughts is that you have a personal safety officer working inside your brain, creating cautious thoughts to help try and keep you safe. Now you might have already realized that just one single cautious thought created by your personal safety officer can often lead to the next thought, which can lead to the next cautious thought, which can lead to the next, and more and more and more until you've been completely overcome with the feeling of anxiety. Now, just as a fire alarm will alert you to a small fire that has started, if you get in there quickly and put that fire out, it stops it from completely engulfing the entire building. And a similar thing can be done with your thoughts. As soon as you notice that you are having a cautious thought and the feeling of anxiety that accompanies it, you can introduce a small break in that pattern. Now, that means taking a slow and deep connected breath. You can notice the feeling of the air filling your lungs and the air leaving your lungs. You can notice the small break between your in and out breath. You can look around you and count the different colors. Notice the shadows. You can notice the patterns and the shapes. You can listen to what you can hear furthest in the distance, what can you hear that is closer. And in doing that, introducing that small break in the pattern stops that first thought from spiraling into further thoughts and into that all-consuming feeling of anxiety. Now, this is something that needs practice, just like learning a new language or learning a new instrument or working out a specific muscle. It needs patience, repetition, and practice in order to develop those muscles and skills. And it's exactly the same with things like presence and mindfulness. The more often you connect with your breath and your five senses, the stronger that muscle becomes, and the easier it will be to do that when you notice strong, fearful thoughts. So I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.